Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In our today's video, we are going to discuss question number 14 of IIT JAM 2019. Yes, question number 14 of IIT JAM 2019 statistics paper. So this is an important video for you all because for all the IIT JAM aspirants, in this video you are getting the full solution of question number 14. So you will not get anywhere else, you will get here at Saurabh Sir classes the complete solution of IIT JAM 2019 paper question number 14. So what's the question number 14 goes like? Let us read the question. So question number 14 is on your screen right now. Let the Taylor polynomial of degree 20 for 1 upon 1 minus x whole cube at x equal to 0 be summation of a to the power an x to the power n from n equal to 0 to 20. Then a15 is what? So this is a simple question, easy question. Let us do the solution of this question. Very simple question. So it is 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x whole cube, which is equal to 1 plus x square plus up to ax to the power cube. This situation is similar to finding the number of non-negative numbers, isn't it, subject to a plus b plus c equal to 15. So if we apply the formula, n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1, we will get 15 plus 3 minus 1 c of 2 is equal to 17 c2, which is equal to 17 into 16 by 2, which is nothing but 136. So 136 is the correct option, that is option A is our correct option, or we can write that right option is A. So I hope you understood this video, but if you have any doubts, then you can contact us at 9836793076, or you can visit our website www.sauravsirclass.com. Thank you students for watching this video. Thank you.